Physiology is the study of body functions. Physiologists explain body functions in sequences of causes and effects in an attempt to isolate the purpose of the body process and its underlying mechanism, which is based on anatomy, the study of structure. The central mantra of biology, which you probably learned in your high school classes, is that function depends on structure. In physiology, body processes work together towards one goal: homeostasis. What is homeostasis? Homeostasis is the maintenance of a stable internal environment relative to the external environment. It is not equilibrium. In fact, equilibrium in this sense is equivalent to death. Each living organ system contributes in its own way to the maintenance of homeostasis, as in this simple example. Let's say the temperature of the environment is colder than normal. The body's temperature sensors, located in the skin, process this novel stimulus as cold. These sensory receptors send projections to the central nervous system, which serves as the integrating center, to process the signal and determine the correct course of action. The integrating center, in this example the hypothalamus of the brain, then orders smooth muscles in blood vessels to constrict, thus reducing heat loss through the skin. Simultaneously, skeletal muscles begin to contract, causing shivering, which increases heat production. The combination of heat production and the decrease in heat loss raise the body temperature relative to the environment and serve to negatively feed back on the original stimulus. This is the classic negative feedback loop that you will encounter in all organ systems across this course, except reproduction, which demonstrates one of the best examples of a positive feedback loop that we encounter. That example looks like this. A growing fetus reaches a critical size within the uterus. The weight of the baby pushes down on the cervix, which causes it to stretch. The stretching has two effects. One, it positively stimulates the posterior pituitary to release oxytocin. Yes, the cuddle chemical. Two, it also positively stimulates uterine contraction. As a result, the baby's head is pushed even farther downward and further stimulates this positive loop. At the same time, oxytocin that is released from the posterior pituitary has a positive impact on uterine contraction, which promotes and further stimulates contractions through the release of prostaglandins and other inflammatory agents. Notice that unlike the negative feedback loop, there is no negative stimulus to stop this process. Instead, the process will continue to positively feed back on itself until the original stimulus is removed or relieved. The baby is born. So how do body systems contribute to overall homeostasis? The circulatory system serves as the highway for the body, carrying nutrients, energy, and gases to and from the cells and tissues. The digestive system is responsible for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients and other important building blocks for life. The respiratory system is responsible for gas exchange, bringing in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide as a waste product. It also plays a minor role in maintaining the pH of the bloodstream. The renal system, also known as the urinary system, is important for maintaining water and ionic balance in the bloodstream by filtering waste products and recycling fluids and ions. The primary function of the skeletal system is not what you think. While the skeletal system is important for maintaining body shape and serving as attachment for muscles and in the production of other cells in the bone marrow, its primary function is the storage of calcium. The muscular system is responsible for directed body movement. The integumentary system includes the body's largest organ, the skin. This system keeps water inside your body and pathogens out. The immune system bolsters the integumentary system by fighting off pathogens that do make it into the body and include the lymphatic system, the bone marrow, and various smaller organs. The nervous system is the central governing system of the entire body and commands all the other functions. The endocrine system is subservient to the nervous system by producing long-acting signals to coordinate homeostasis throughout the body. The reproductive system is the only system we cover in this course that does not contribute directly to an organism's individual homeostasis. Instead, it contributes to the homeostasis of the entire species by allowing humans to create more humans. This course is Anatomy, Physiology, and Disease. The last item in the course title refers to disruptions in homeostasis that are otherwise called pathophysiologies. When a homeostatic disruption becomes so severe that it is no longer compatible with survival, the organism dies. In this course, you will be presenting a pathophysiology of your choice, which will address the specific mechanisms by which homeostasis is disrupted in that particular disease, disorder, or syndrome.